Tiny1125H2 gives you a stable performance at low RAM usage. You keep Windows features that matter. You remove the parts you never use. The new 25H2 release feels polished. The interface stays clean. Performance stays stable, even on older hardware. I'm Neil from HT, and let's explore Tiny 11. Windows 11 fills the Start menu with pins you will never use. It also loads 36 unwanted apps. This creates clutter and slows daily work. Now look at Tiny 1125H2. The Start menu stays clean and simple. No pins, no pre-installed junk. Defender and Microsoft Store stay fully functional. A clean Windows 11 setup uses about 32.4 gigabytes before you add anything. Most of that space goes to services, features, and apps that serve no purpose for you. Your storage drops fast. Tiny 1125H2 uses around 8 gigabytes, close to 1/4 of that size. No clutter, no useless apps. If 8 gigabytes feels too high, try Tiny 1126H1, which uses about 4 to 5 gigabytes. Want to know how much RAM Tiny 11 uses? A system with 4 gigabytes of RAM will see Windows 11 idle at about 2.3 gigabytes. Tiny 1125H2 uses about 1.4 gigabytes right after installation. This gives you almost 1 gigabyte of extra free memory. Velotic reduces it even further to around 900 megabytes. It can also convert your current Windows 11 into Tiny 11 with one click. Velotic isn't a cleaner, it's a system overhaul. It raises FPS, cuts lag, and keeps your PC running like it's brand new, every single day. CPU and GPU are tuned automatically. Junk files are deleted before you even notice. Hidden slowdowns? Gone in real time. You get over 500 pro-level tweaks, one-click Windows debloat, instant app installs, and smart power management that adapts to how you work or play. It even compresses data safely to free up 70% more space without deleting anything. This isn't a quick fix. It's the same technology used by power users and studios to keep systems fast and reliable. Built over 3 years, tested by thousands, and refined with every update. $19.99 once. Lifetime speed, zero effort. Velotic. Built for performance users who refuse slow. Now we move to the key step, turning Windows 11 into Tiny 11. Open Velotic, go to the debloat page, and press play. The tool handles everything for you. With one click, your system reaches Tiny 11 speed with no file loss and no broken features. You can check the full guide through the I button and the link in the description. Windows 11 runs about 150 processes, with more than 2,000 threads and around 61,000 handles. Even when idle, it keeps many services active that increase overhead. Tiny 1125H2 runs about 86 processes with roughly 12,400 threads and about 31,000 handles. It removes non-essential services and keeps only the core parts older CPUs need for stable operation. Your CPU stays free for real tasks, especially on low-end hardware with limited resources. Now we check Geekbench 6 results. Tiny 11 is safe. Our first Tiny 11 release arrived in 2021, only a week after the Windows 11 developer build. Many people know the 2023 version from NT Dev, but Tiny 11 started long before that. Every build is tested for stability and security. You can use it daily without the hidden risks found in random unofficial mods. Here are the scores on the same hardware. Windows 11 reaches 2,270 in single-core and 5,872 in multi-core. Tiny 11 delivers better numbers. You get stronger efficiency, faster work speeds, and smoother multitasking. Hardware stays unchanged, yet Tiny 11 performs better without losing stability or security. The pinned comment has the link to Tiny 1125H2. After the benchmark, Tiny 1125H2 reaches 2,393 in single-core and 6,441 in multi-core, beating the older scores. Next, let's look at Windows Defender. Some users rely on it, others prefer third-party antivirus, and some turn it off due to false alerts. Tiny 11 gives you full control. Defender is off by default, but you can enable it anytime. Open the Configure toolbox, go to the Windows Defender section, and click Enable. It starts protecting your system immediately, fast, simple, and fully under your control. Now for Windows updates. Tiny 11 pauses updates by default. Only critical security fixes install automatically. If you want updates active, open Settings, go to Updates, and turn them on. Your system will stay current. You can disable updates from the Configure app, but it's not recommended. Turning them off can break the Microsoft Store and other essential features. Now, let's cover the Microsoft Store. It works just like standard Windows as long as updates are on. Tiny 11 comes without extra apps, so you install only what you need. Notepad, calculator, snipping tool, and more are all available. Search for the app, click Get, and it installs automatically. Quick and simple. You can sign in with your Microsoft or Xbox account. All purchased apps and games work without issues. Calculator installs in seconds. Everything runs smoothly with no clutter. Tiny 1125H2 Premium focuses on stability, performance, and privacy. Fast operation, no unnecessary apps, no system noise. Free builds can include malware. Premium gives safety, stability, and reliable support. It's the clear choice for anyone who wants a clean, dependable Windows experience. Thanks for watching. This is the Harbor of Tech, signing off.